Hi friend, I am Ajit. Today I am going to review another new drug that is cough clear. So that is the dosage form of liquid dosage form. We know about the dosage form. Dosage form is mainly three types: solid, liquid, and semi-solid. So this is come under liquid dosage form. After seeing that 100 ml, we can confirm that is a liquid dosage form. If you see the composition of this product, then tarbutylene sulfate. The tarbutylene sulfate is a beta 2 adrenergic receptor agonist that is mainly used for the asthma condition as well as COPD condition. And second importance ingredient, that is guafenicin. Guafenicin, that is used for cough expectorant, and bromhexine hydrochloride. Bromhexine hydrochloride, that is the mucolytic. It is used to break down the sputum in a small particle in the airway, and after breakdown it will expel from the airway. And menthol syrup, so there is a indicate that is cough expectorant, and that is free from sugar free, means it is not contain sweetening agent. Sweetening agent is come under adjuvant or additive. Additive means substances of other than API. API means active pharmaceutical ingredient. And if we see the indication purpose, they are mentioned bronchodilator. Indication means what purpose this medication is used, what purpose this drug is used. Indication means what purpose this liquid dosage form is used. So see, this is the cough expectorant that is mainly used for bronchodilator and mucolytic, as well as relieve chest congestion. It will relieve from chest congestion. It will act as a mucolytic, and it is also act as a bronchodilator. Bronchodilator means that type of medication that make breathing easier by relaxing the muscle in the lungs, and it also help in widening the airway, and that is mainly used for the two cases, means COPD as well as asthma condition. In this condition we have to use bronchodilator. And I have already discussed about the mucolytic. Mucolytic is a come under that is bromhexine, and it will also come under that ambroxyl. So mucolytic is used to break down the sputum in a single particle, and it will expel out from the airway or lungs. So that is the indication of this cough clear syrup. And if we see the composition of this syrup, then we will see that composition: each 5 ml contain 5 ml contain 5 ml each. If you take 5 ml, in that 5 ml you will get, see, that is measuring, that is used for the measuring that 5 ml. So if you take 5 ml, they are mentioning this is 5 ml. If you take 5 ml, why is it 5 ml? That is here, that is the 5 ml. If you take up to here, will get in that 5 ml tarbutylene sulfate, IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia, 1.25 milligram, and guafenicin IP 50 milligram, and bromhexine hydrochloride IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia, 4 milligram, and mentholated sugar free base quanta sufficient. And they are also used one coloring agent. See, that is the color. coloring agent is other than API, that is also act as a adjuvant additive. Additive means it has no role, but it has a role into product good color. So they are used as a coloring agent, that is adjuvant or additive. Carmoisin and sunset yellow FCF. And if you just see the doses as directed by the physician, and we have to store in a dark and dry place. The temperature should not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Keep out of reach of children. Shake well before use. And one more important thing that is come under Schedule H prescription. Schedule H drug. Schedule H drug means list of prescription drug. We should not dispense, or pharmacists are unable to dispense without prescription of this drug. And they are also mentioning the one more important thing, that is not to be sold by retail without the prescription. You should carry the prescription. Without prescription we can't purchase this medication. And one more important thing, they are mentioning manufactured by Shiva Biogenic Pharmaceutical Private Limited. This product is manufactured. This preparation is prepared by Shiva Biogenic Pharmaceutical. But this company is not renowned or not famous. So this is why they are taking help from Alchem Laboratories. See, they are indicated marketed by Alchem Laboratories. And this product is prepared by or manufactured by Shiva Biogenic Pharmaceutical Private Limited, and it is launched by Alchem Laboratories. And one more important thing, that is inclusive all taxes. If you see about tax is GST, goods and service taxes. So this tax is 4 types: central GST, state GST, union territory GST, and integral GST. And this GST is start in India 1st July 2017. It is launched by Indian government in that 2017. So they are taking all the taxes, inclusive all the taxes. MRP means minimum retail price 104 rupees, that is the minimum price, and inclusive all taxes. All taxes means I have already told tax is 4 types, that is central GST, state GST, and union territory GST, integral GST. Union territory means Delhi come under union territory. Jammu and Kashmir will come union territory. And state GST means it may be West Bengal, it may be Telangana, it may be Punjab, it may be Haryana. It will come in state GST. And this GST started 1st July 2017. So today's drug is that was Cough Clear SF. I think you understand in better way. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.